Hello viewers, today we are going to see about the working principle of automatic street light controller using LDR. LDR means light dependent resistor. So what happens is when the light falls on the LDR, the resistance of the LDR will be very low. Therefore, more current will flow into the base. That means the base current increases. So when the base current increases, naturally the collector current also increases. Assume that when collector current increases, the transistor will go into saturation. Assume in that way. So collector to emitter voltage will be approximately equal to 0. That is, you can view this as collector to emitter as a short circuit. So what happens? This 0 will be here. That means the base of this transistor is 0, this side is also 0. That means VBE, voltage between base and emitter, is 0 volts. Therefore, this transistor will not go into conduction. If it is not going to conduction means IC is 0. For this transistor, IC is 0. No current. Therefore, this transistor is in cutoff. If it is in cutoff, VCE is equal to VCC. VCE is equal to VCC. That means with respect to ground, this point is at VCC. VCC in this case is 9 volts. So this end is 9, this end is 9. The relay is not energized. So what happens is the relay will be in this position only, which is normally closed connection, because it is not energized. Only when it is energized, this connection will fall here. So this circuit will be open, and this circuit, this point, these 2 points get short circuited. So for the next case, when there is no light means during the evening and night, during night time, there is no light. So the LDR resistance will be very high. Therefore, there won't be any sufficient current, base current, to make the transistor to go into on. That means we will assume this is in cutoff. No base current, therefore no collector current. So the transistor will be in cutoff. We know that at cutoff, VC equal to VCC. So this point, collector to emitter voltage is equal to VC. That means that 9 volts will be here. So this is 9, this is 9. Potential drop here is 9, 0. Therefore, no current IC will flow here. So now this is 9 volts. So between base and emitter, you will be seeing a 9 volts. But actual required voltage here is VBE is 0.7, because this is a diode. So VBE is 0.7 volts. Now this volt will makes the transistor 2 to go into conduction, because you have sufficient base current to make the device into on. Therefore, what happens is collector current flows, the relay, this coil is energized. So the relay gets actuated. So this switch gets opened. Since it is energized, it falls here based on the electromagnetic principle. So the relay is energized and it falls here. Now here we are giving 230 volts 50 hertz CSC. Therefore now the circuit is closed, and therefore this lamp will glow. This is the street light. So we will be getting the light. So during night this will glow. Once again, when during daylight, what happens? This resistance will be very small, very low. Therefore, there will be a base current, and the transistor goes into on. I already told you VC equal to VC equal to 0 volts. Therefore, this voltage will become 0. There won't be any sufficient current to make the transistor to go in on condition. Therefore, relay is not energized. So once again, this will be in its normal position, that is normally closed condition. Therefore, the light will go into off condition. So this is the working principle of automatic street light using LDR. Hope you have understood the concept. Thanks for watching this video. Nandri.